My name is Yaneth Vanegas. My family name is Vanegas. Vanesgas. I am from Bogotá, Colombia. Now I work in SBS, an insurance company. My job is assurance manager, but also I study in the UNAT degree in the foreign languages. I would like to learn about other countries because I like to know the culture, the people, the typical food, and other things. I help me to improve the knowledge, general culture. I don't have a lot of time, but for example, on the weekend, I like to visit the park with my children, or we go to the shopping center. In this place, we like to enjoy ice cream in crepes and waffles, or something we go to the cinema. My children love the movies about comics. I consider that the best way to improve the language is practicing with other people who speak English. But if you don't have this opportunity, you can listen to music in English, or when you see movies, you can put the audio in English or subtitles in English. I think that the people need to develop soft skills. In my case, I like leadership. I consider that this skill is important in the organization and my professional life.